Hi, this is Karen Sliwinski. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Northeast Ohio. So this is the Bouquet of Hope. It was the paper pumpkin in February, and these are the cards that you were to make. And it had some elements. It had some vellum with these really pretty gold leaves. It had this laser cut oval that was this beautiful floral. It had some labels, sequins, and then let me move this out of the way so you can see the stamp. So we had a bouquet of flowers, a beautiful saying that says, sharing in your sorrow, thinking of you, and wishing I could be there to hold your hand. And then sorry for your loss, and I'll always be here for you. So it had some really nice sentiments. And then these were the 3 card bases. Okay, so there was one in the Rococo Rose. This one's Mary Merlot, and it has beautiful florals. And then this is with Just J's. Well, most of the time, I love the paper pumpkin cards as they are, but these really weren't my favorites. So I wanted to show you that even though you may not like the projects that you get in the kit, you can always change it up. So I'm just going to show you the cards that I have made with those elements and some of the changes that I've made. So I did cut apart some of the card bases. So here I cut apart this one, and I used the Mary Merlot base, and I just added it to a white card base. I left just a very tiny border. And then this yellow is from one of the envelopes. And I just added a circle and then some of these little floral motifs that you just punch out. And I stamped the sentiment in the middle. I don't think, oh, there I go. I put something on the inside as well. Sorry for your loss. So really cute, simple card. And then I just stamped some of the flowers that are on the stamp in the corner for the envelope. This one, I used one of the envelopes for the base here, and I put it on a pink. I actually used the Rococo Rose card base because it has white on the inside. So then this is from the envelope, and then what was left in the flap, I cut into a circle, and I used it on the inside. And I stamped the floral image, and I colored them with blends and added a few sequins. Again, little elements on the corner. So this one, I did not really like how the floral pattern on this vellum got lost in the other card. So I really liked it on the white. And then I just added the thinking of you, which is just you punch it out and stick it down. And then sorry for your loss. So this one, I took our punch that matched that same shape. I cut it in half, and then I made it as a border. And then I stuck some sprigs on there. Very simple card, but beautiful. Here's one where I did use the card base again, and then I used one of the panels and cut it down and gave it a mat. Used the sticker that came on there and some of the flower images. And that's how that one got finished. And look at these envelopes. Aren't they beautiful? I think that they are really, really pretty. Now this one is interesting because this gold floral, I was trying to decide where to use it, and then I just happened to turn it over, and I really, really liked how that looked against the stripes of this Just Jade. So I stamped on the label. I added a little Just Jade ribbon to go with it, and then a little sentiment on the inside, and then I can use the yellow polka dot envelope to coordinate. And then lastly, I took this one and I used our hammered metal embossing folder to emboss that the panel, and then stuck that. This is a sticker, not sticker, but it's a die cut element that comes with it in one of the labels. And then I used one of my label dies to cut out this label and then add that to the inside. So those are some ideas using the February paper pumpkin. And like I said, if you don't like something that's in the kit and how it's designed, you can always come up with other ideas and modify it. And you'd be surprised at really how versatile these kits are. So I'm just going to spread these out a little bit so you can see them. And there you have it. Enjoy!